The Debian package command, also known as dpkg, is a low-level package management tool used on Debian-based systems. This command serves as the foundation for Debian's package management system, and it is used to install, remove, and manage .deb packages directly. So, what exactly is dpkg? dpkg, short for Debian package, is the core package management utility in Debian-based Linux distributions. It handles the low-level operations for installing, removing, and providing information about .deb packages. Some of its key characteristics are that it works directly with .deb package files, it maintains the package database in /var/lib/dpkg/, it serves as a foundation for higher-level tools like apt, and it does not automatically resolve dependencies. Let's explore some basic dpkg commands. To install packages, use the command sudo dpkg followed by the package name with the .deb extension. For example, sudo dpkg package.deb. To install multiple packages at once, you can use sudo dpkg followed by the names of the packages, such as package1.deb, package2.deb. It's generally not recommended to force installation, but if necessary, you can use the command sudo dpkg force followed by the package name. Moving on to removing packages, to remove a package but keep its configuration files, use the command sudo dpkg followed by the package name. To remove a package along with its configuration files, use the command sudo dpkg followed by the package name, or alternatively, sudo dpkg purge followed by the package name. Now let's look at listing packages. To list all installed packages, simply use the command dpkl. To list a specific package, use the command dpkl followed by the package name. Finally, to list the files installed by a package, use the command dpkl followed by the package name. And finally, for package information to show package details, use the command dpkgs followed by the package name. To find out which package owns a specific file, use the command dpks followed by the path to the file. To show the contents of a package without installing it, use the command dpkg followed by the package name with the .deb extension. Understanding package status codes is essential when using dpkg. Here are some common status codes you might encounter in the dpkg output. 2 indicates that the package is installed and configured properly. RC means the package was removed, but configuration files remain on the system. Un signifies that the package is unknown, meaning it's not currently installed. IU means the package is unpacked but not configured yet. If indicates that the package is installed, but the configuration failed. Lastly, ISH means the package is installed but on hold, which prevents it from being upgraded. In this example output, you can see how the status codes provide valuable information about the state of each package. For example, adduser and apt are properly installed, Chromium was removed but its configuration remains, and Firefox is on hold and won't be upgraded. Now let's explore some advanced dpkg options. To reconfigure an installed package, use the command sudo dpkg reconfigure followed by the package name. If you want to reconfigure with a specific priority, you can use the command sudo debconf_priority equals low dpkg reconfigure followed by the package name. When it comes to package verification, to verify the integrity of a package, use the command dpkg verify followed by the package name. To check for broken dependencies, use the command sudo dpkg configure. Now about package selection, to put a package on hold, preventing it from being upgraded, use the command sudo dpkg set selections followed by the package name and the option hold. To remove the hold and allow the package to be upgraded, use the command sudo dpkg set selections followed by the package name and the option install. Finally, regarding package information, to extract control information from a package, use the command dpkg followed by the package name with the .deb extension. To extract the package contents to a specific directory, use the command dpkg followed by the package name with the .deb extension and the target directory. Let's take a look at working with the package database. The dpkg database structure is stored in the /var/lib/dpkg/ directory. This directory contains all the information about installed packages, their status, and configuration. Key files include /var/lib/dpkg/status, which contains installed packages information, /var/lib/dpkg/available, which contains available packages information, and /var/lib/dpkg/info/, which contains package-specific scripts and lists. Now, regarding database management commands, to clear the available packages database, use the command sudo dpkg clear avail. To merge available packages information from a file, use the command sudo dpkg merge avail followed by the file path. To update the available packages database, use the command sudo dpkg update avail followed by the file path. Finally, to remove information about uninstalled unavailable packages, use the command sudo dpkg forget old unavail. Let's look at some common use cases for dpkg. First, finding package owners. If you want to determine which package installed a specific file, use the command dpks followed by the file path. For example, dpks/usr/bin/python3. This will output the package name, such as Python3 minimal. Second, listing package contents. To view all files installed by a package, use the command dpkl followed by the package name. For example, dpkl bash. This will output a list of files, such as /bin/bash, /etc/bash.bashrc, and more. Next, checking package status. To get detailed information about an installed package, use the command dpkgs followed by the package name. For example, dpkgs Firefox. This will output details like the package name, status, priority, and section. Finally, fixing broken installations. To configure all partially installed packages, use the command sudo dpkg configure. You can also use sudo apt-get finstall to resolve dependencies after using dpkg. Let's address some common issues you might encounter while using dpkg and their solutions. First, dependency problems. If dpkg fails due to missing dependencies, use the command sudo apt-get finstall or sudo apt-get install followed by the missing dependency. Then try installing the package again using sudo dpkg package.deb. If you encounter a broken package database, indicated by errors, you can fix it by running the following commands. First, sudo rm/var/lib/dpkg/updates/star. Second, sudo dpkg configure. Third, sudo apt-get update. Next, package conflicts. If you encounter errors indicating that dpkg is trying to overwrite a file, use the command sudo dpkg force overwrite package.deb. Finally, interrupted installation. If a package installation was interrupted, run the following commands. First, sudo dpkg configure. Second, sudo apt-get finstall. Third, sudo apt-get clean. Fourth, sudo apt-get update. Here are some best practices to keep in mind when using dpkg. It's generally recommended to use apt for most package operations, as it handles dependencies automatically. Reserve dpkg for specific low-level tasks where you need direct control. Always run installation operations with sudo to ensure you have the necessary privileges. It's a good idea to back up important configuration files before removing packages, in case you need to restore them later. You can use the dry run option to preview operations before actually executing them. To summarize, dpkg is the foundation of Debian package management. It provides direct control over package installation and removal. It maintains the package database in /var/lib/dpkg/. It's important to remember that dpkg does not automatically resolve dependencies. And finally, it is essential for troubleshooting package issues. For further learning, refer to the Debian Package Management Manual and the man dpkg pages. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.